Well, when I first read the book, the Frozen Scream, I was really I thought it was great. I thought it was a really good story, and it feels it's very fresh, but it also felt like something I'd kind of read before in a way. It felt very rich in that way. Did you?
Yes, because I think it's very much in that classic murder mystery tradition, written in 1928. And it's amazing that C.C. Gilbert isn't better known, isn't it? Because she ranks alongside writers like Christie and Marjorie Allingham. But I think what's really great about The Frozen Scream is that it plays with the conventions as much as anything, don't you think?
Yeah, I do.
It's a very playful novel.
And it's also very theatrical novel. It's very glamorous. It's that kind of bright young things of the 20s. The costumes are great. The aesthetic is great.
It's sexually transgressive.
Yeah.
I think the female characters are very, very interesting, and the relationships between them.
Yeah.
And it's genuinely spooky. It's a genuinely spooky
spooky.
novel.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to read it late at night on your own.